Saxcast breaking down the riff part 9. This week we're going to go a little bit more kind of cool and groovy with the brand new Heavy's new song called Candy Town, which the hint of the title there leads us to sort of figure out that our fantastic soloist in this track is the one and only Candy Dulfer. Thank you, Candy, for your fantastic role sort of modelling for female sax players. So we're going to have a look at this little riff from this Candy Town, which goes like this. Okay, we're going to break it down into sections. Hopefully you can kind of work with me on the little chunks. But first thing we need to look at is key. Now, if you were doing the alto video, you were going to be in B major, so pretty much 5 sharps. We're on tenor for this, so we're going slightly less sharp, so we're in E major. So we need E, F sharp, G sharp, A, B, C sharp, D sharp, E. So if you're not familiar with that, you might want to have a look at it. The reason why it's good to look at some tricky keys is if you end up working with singers or with guitarists, they don't always stick in nice keys for us because we're 2 sharps more on saxophone, 3 sharps more on saxophone, on alto saxophone. So you need to kind of be prepared of playing in keys that are going to be slightly out of your comfort zone. This little riff kind of breaks into little chunks. So we've got this da da da, that's kind of section 1, da da da, section 2. Da da, section 3. Da 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 da. That section's going to be longer, but I'll talk about it. Start note for this is this one. Here's our E major. So it's C sharp, okay, and it goes da 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 da. So it kind of goes up and then down a bit. So we've got a leap down to a step. So if you can work that out, that's great. If not, it's C sharp, F sharp, E. Da da da. So try that again. Then the second part goes da da da. Hopefully you can hear that it's exactly the same start note, and then we're going to jump up a little bit more. Da 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 da. So it's like a little bit of a pattern. So we go C sharp, G sharp, F sharp. So the 2 parts together. Okay, so that bit's sort of in the bag. Then she plays da da da. That note in the middle is going to be a pivot note. We'll kind of use that for phrases 3 and 4. Da da da. So surprisingly again, we start on that C sharp again. But then we've got a really huge leap, and hopefully you'll be able to notice that octave leap, that's somewhere over the rainbow. So it's the start of the C sharp with an E in between, going to an octave leap of the C sharp afterwards. So we're going to go C sharp, E, and then C sharp with the thumb on. So let's do those 3 phrases together. You'll go da da da. My go. Ba ba da. Next bit. Da da da. Good. And the next bit goes da. Same note as a pivot. Da 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 da. Here, that's all going down. Da 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 da. Just going down the scale. So C sharp, E, A, G sharp. Do that again. A bit more of a bouncy rhythm to it, but we'll just get the notes ready for now. Da, 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 da. Then she plays da, 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 da. So it's what's called a sequence, where we repeat some of the notes, but we just shift it down in pitch. So we're playing the same descending thing. Da, 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 da. So on the second bit going down, we're going to go A, B, A, G sharp, E, no F sharp. So just those 4 notes. sharp, E. So from the beginning to there, it goes. And last little bit goes da 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 da. There's our little semitone thing that we've done in some of the previous licks, which sounds a bit like Jaws. Da 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 da. So we're finishing on a G sharp to A. Da da. So let's just try that bit. Okay, so from the kind of middle bit, it goes. Okay, so like that. As before, what I'm going to do is stick on this little track. I'm going to play it a little bit longer this time. Some feedback that I've had. Thank you, Katie, to just play it through a little bit more, and I'll play a bit less so you can just hear the track. Okay, so in Jazz Session Band 2, I've set up a groove which is going from concert pitch G major to A major, just as a 2-bar loop. So we're going to go. Okay, so that's the aim. So I'm going to slow it down and turn it on to 60, which is going to feel really slow, but it means we'll get it right. So we'll just do that little bit for now. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so we're going to do your turn, just doing this nice and easy. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. Ba ba da, ba ba da. Good. And we're going to go together. 2, 3, 4, 1. Good. So the next bit's going to go there. Da 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 da. Okay. Ba ba da, ba ba da. Stick the 2 bits together. Feel free to play along. I'll play 3 times. With this little extra bit, see if you can figure it out. 1, 2, 3, 4. Second time. We're going to go through the same thing, but we're going to speed it up, get a little bit closer. So I think this is about 90, 86, 88, 90, so 92. 92 we'll have to do. Okay. So it's gonna go. And again. Your turn, I'm just going to let it loop. Second time. Great guys, so hopefully you enjoyed that. If you want to play along with Candy on the Candy Town track, go for it. Let me know how you get on in the comments below. As ever, the little bits of feedback that you're leaving me is really useful, so thank you so much. Hope you enjoyed that, and as ever guys, thank you and happy saxing. Bye!